Okay, tutorial to fold clothes. You see this, my grandma, and it's not, the color is not really seeable, so you all have to do this. What? Like that, wear it, and just wear it if it doesn't fit, and just put your arm there, and then the other one too, and take it up.